Neville Goddard once said, "You do not attract what you want, you attract what you are." Let that settle for a moment. This isn't about chasing dreams, it's about embodying them. Today, I'll guide you through 3 powerful Neville techniques that I've personally used to transform my identity and my reality. This isn't theory, it's lived truth. By the end of this video, you won't just understand manifestation, you'll feel it unfolding within you. Hey, I'm Vinny, and this is Reality Shifter. This channel is a sacred space for dreamers, seekers, and creators who know deep down that life responds to identity, not effort. If you've ever felt like you're waiting for a breakthrough, this is it. Because the shift doesn't happen outside you. It begins in the mirror, in the mind, in the moment you decide to become. Let's step into that new version of you, together. 1. SATS method. The state akin to sleep, or SATS, is where creation begins. It's that twilight moment between wakefulness and sleep, when the conscious mind softens and the subconscious becomes receptive. I remember the first time I truly used SATS. I was 28, restless in a life that felt like a waiting room. One night, I imagined myself standing in a kitchen I'd never seen, bathed in morning light, a coffee mug in my hands, hearing the words, "You did it." I felt the wood beneath my feet, the warmth of the cup, the joy in the air. I didn't analyze, I didn't try. I simply looped that scene like a lullaby until I drifted into sleep. And in the weeks to come, everything began to shift. A new home, the exact layout I'd seen, the same feeling, the same light. Why does it work? Because in that drowsy state, your mind no longer resists. It receives, it believes. And what it accepts as true, it brings to life. Your turn. Tonight before sleep, pick one scene. Keep it short, but vivid. Smell the air, hear the sounds, feel the joy, loop it gently until the scene becomes your reality's blueprint. 2. Inner conversations. We're always talking to ourselves, every second, every step. The question is, what is your inner voice saying? For the longest time, mine was full of fear. You're not ready. You always mess it up. They'll find out you're faking it. Sound familiar? One rainy afternoon, I reached a breaking point. I just missed a huge opportunity. My inner critic was relentless, but I paused. I breathed, and I said something different. I love how everything is unfolding for me. I always rise. I'm so proud of how far I've come. At first it felt silly, like wearing someone else's clothes. But I kept repeating it, and over time, it fit. I changed, and the world around me responded. Neville said, "Change your inner conversations, and you'll change your life." He meant it. Try this today. Listen to your inner voice. Catch it when it shrinks you. Interrupt it, gently but firmly. Speak as your fulfilled self would speak. Say, "I am exactly where I'm meant to be. I always find a way. I already have everything I asked for." Repeat it until your bones believe it. That's when reality starts to echo back your truth. 3. Revision technique. This technique healed me. Neville's revision. Technique isn't just about forgetting the past, it's about rewriting it, energetically, emotionally, spiritually. Because your subconscious doesn't know time, it just knows feeling. There was a moment I carried for years. A rejection that shattered me. I kept replaying their words. "You're not what I need." Each replay made it more real, more painful. Then I found revision. One night, I sat with that memory. But instead of reliving the hurt, I changed it. In my new version, they looked at me, eyes soft, and said, "You're everything I was looking for." I felt their hand in mine. I breathed in peace, and the pain dissolved. The next morning, I wasn't broken anymore. Something deep inside had shifted. Soon after, new people, new mirrors started appearing, reflecting this healed version of me. Try this. Pick one memory that still hurts. Step into it. Now gently change the ending. Not to lie, not to erase, but to liberate. This isn't about tricks or techniques. It's about transformation. You're not fixing yourself. You're remembering who you truly are. Reality? It doesn't lead, it follows. If this resonated, let me know in the comments. I am now the version who has it all. Your words matter here. They ripple, they affirm. And if you're ready for deeper shifts, hit that subscribe button. Next week, we're diving into Yogananda's teachings and how to dissolve life problems using ancient inner science. Until then, keep shifting. You're not chasing a dream. You are the dream, awakening.